Right, I hope everyone rejoined. Right, I hope everyone rejoined. So if you are done with the first activity, if you have completed the first activity, so this is actually MS Paint old version. So since I don't have Windows machine ready for the moment, I'm using this one. Right, I'm just using old version, but you can do more things with the new version. So I'm using the old Paint app. So anyway, so what I want you to do as the second activity, take a new file, go to file and take a new file, or you can press Control N. So whatever you have done for the current file, you can, if you want to save it, you can save as, and you can give any name and save in your computer as a JPG image. Just give any name and save in your computer. Okay, take a new file now. Just take a new file. So what I want you to do, just draw small scenario, just practice these tools. Okay, so I'm going to draw a scene. You can draw a similar one, right? You can draw a similar one. Let's see the results of each other. Let's see the output of each other then. Okay, hope all of you have taken a new file, right? You are in a clear window, right? So I'm going to draw, I'm going to select the color. You have two colors, right? You can select. So you here in your window, see here, you have two colors, color 1, color 2. So you just click the color and you can change the color from the panel. Right? So if you want to change the color 2, just click on color 2 and change the color from the panel. If you want more colors, just go to the edit colors and then you can see there are more colors, right? If you want more colors, you can just go to the, just click on the color and go to the edit colors and you can add more colors. Here, the color 2 also you can select like that. And these are the tools I'm going to use. Right? Then you have paint, pencil or pen and paint bucket. And these will be used by me in creating this graphic. Okay, so here's my color palette. So if I want to change the color, just I'm clicking that and I'm clicking on a color and I can select a color from there. Just change it. Right? Then you can see if you want to change.
What do we have to draw?
Yes, I'm going to draw that. So please follow me. And I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to use this time brown color. Okay, let's use dark green color. And I'm going to draw, okay, this one. I'm going to draw a mountain range. So using freehand, I'm going to draw a mountain range like this. Then another mountain. And another mountain. Just draw. I just finished drawing 3 mountains. And here a small valley actually. So just change that and this. And I'm going to increase my brush size. I'm going to increase my brush size and I'm going to create small, small river. And just some branch. And a lake. Here also small lake. So please get the concept, right? No need to draw the same. just get the concept and do the same. So you should have some mountains and a lake. Normally lake level is equal, right? You have to just make it equal. You also make it equal. Okay, I'm done. Here also, let's just make it equal level. So I just want to see your mouse balance, right? So I'm not very good in this, but because I'm using touchpad, so maybe you are using mouse. If you're using mouse, you can do better. Okay, so I want to color this. I'm just going to use fill, and let's color this one. Oh, not blue. So let's use green to fill this, and dark green to fill this, and in between color to fill this. Okay, then the sky color, you can just put light blue for sky or cyan. And I'm going to draw a tree as well. Some other. Well, let's use black color for the sky. This is dark sea. And just going to draw moon for there. I need half moon. So I'm drawing it fully, but I'm repainting this. Repainting this means I'm just drawing a line here using some other color. Okay. And fill in this color. Even for the line. Line can be painted. Okay. So then I'm going to draw a shadow there. Okay. So let's see your outcome, right? Just going to draw small, just use brush and using this brush. And this one, just reducing the size. Okay, two kids are playing over there. You can see in the scene. Okay, two kids are there. Then, so let's draw a small tree as well. Using black color. And line tool or brush tool. Okay. Here it is. You can just, maybe no need to draw the same, just try to do something similar. Okay, so can we see your one or still doing? Right, I just want to see your, yeah, just just want to see your mouse balance, right? Nothing else. Don't worry, I'm also not good in drawing. I just draw this. And you can see my one is really bad. So here, so this is not really good. So I don't like this actually. I want to erase this because it's not nice, right? Can just, so what is the color? This color? Yeah, I'm going to repaint that because I don't like this. This is somewhat okay. This one also just need to. Okay, so let's see. So this is the second activity using MS Paint. So I want you to learn how to change colors, how to change brushes, how to fill the color, how to fill different colors, how to draw in the background, how to draw in the foreground. Likewise, I want to see. Shall we see? Are you ready? I just want to see before the class, right? Everyone is silent. Suhara, can I see your hand? Okay, I have stopped sharing my screen. Can you share your screen? Current status, it's okay. Current status, you can complete the next day maybe.
No, I haven't finished yet.
Not finished yet, okay. Anyway, just show the current status. Maybe you can finish this and send to the group, right? For the moment, just show me the current status. Hirusha?
So I cannot share the screen.
Okay, now you can. Now you can. I just enabled that. Okay. Right. Still going on. Okay. So that is like, this place is like Nuvareli, right? You have a lot of mountains, right? Okay, so Hirusha, can I see you on? Still waiting. Okay, Sanulya, Netum, no one is ready. Come on. Ravinu.
So, can I share the screen? I
Yeah.
did earlier.
Yeah, sure. Okay, good. Yeah, you are done. Quickly finish. Good. Others? Others? No. Anyone did this? So next day I'll do, right. Okay, so I'll give you more time to finish this and send it to me. So please send to the group, right? Please send to the group. How to send this to group? After doing that, you have to go to the file and save as, then save in some name, JPG. In your desktop, you can save, right? In your desktop, you can save. I have saved like Untitled JPG and it's downloaded. Right, in your desktop, you can save the file and send it to me. Send it to the group, sorry, send it to the groups. It's okay, so this is your first time. So next day I'll do photo manipulation. Manipulation means, so this is what photo manipulation is. We are going to open a photo. If you like set of photos, just bring that, download and keep that for the next day, right? Photo manipulation is something like this. You have, okay, here, this is a manipulation. Land, textbook, person, a cloud. So this is also manipulation. This is also manipulation. Photo manipulation means mixing up images and print. So let's do, we'll do this next day, right? In Paint, you can't do this much of work, but anyway, you can manipulate up to some extent. You can manipulate, not this up to this extent, but you can do it up to some extent.
So do we need an app for that?
No, so we actually, if you want to do in this level, you need app. So you can use Photoshop, or you can in online you can use Photopia. If you want to do this online, you can use photopia.com. Photopia, Photopia, this one. This is online variant of Photoshop. It has more tools, right? This kind of manipulation can be done in that tool. This kind of manipulation can be done in Photopia or Photoshop. But the minor level manipulation, so this is also a manipulation. This is also a manipulation. You can see. You need few images to do this. And this is also manipulation. This kind of manipulation we can do using Paint. Okay. So let's try to do this kind of manipulation in MS Paint next day, right? Okay, those who have finished. So this is practical lesson. So we will have less notes. Those who have finished, you can send it to my, so this is another one which we can do. If you have done, please send to the group. If not, please finish and send it to the group. You can take your own time. So you have, some of you are really familiar with Paint, but you know that when working with Paint, familiarity doesn't matter. It's about creativity. It's about creativity. Familiarity will give you the tool support, but if you are creative, you can do more. Okay, then let's see you all in the next week, right? But remember that please send this. Don't cheat, right? Please send this to the group. Don't cheat. Don't let others to do and complete it and send it to me. Do your one, your version, and send it to me.
So is it okay with a direct message?
Sorry.
Is it okay personally?
You are worried. So whether others will laugh at you? No.
No.
So others will always appreciate your work, right? If you don't like to send, show this to others, you can send it to me. But my recommendation is send to the group, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Good night. See you all in next week.
Good night.
Yeah?
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.